Hi folks, my name is Tracy, and this here is Cookie. This is my parrot, and this is how I clip her claws and her wings, her flight wings, and it's very, very cool. So, I hope you enjoy my video, and this is how I do it. My son's doing the filming. Okay, so, okay, get out, TJ. Okay. No. So I gave her a warm bath, and I pick up her claws. TJ, go downstairs, please. First, I think I'll just wash her wings with some soap. Good
idea, Mom.
Give her a nice little bath. Wash her wings. Massage her. She loves her baths and her attention. Cookie, can you say hello? Say hello, Cookie. She likes to act like she's mean. She can be. I'm just bathing her. You're fine. Cookie, you're fine. She loves it. I gently pick her up. And I gotta wash her tail wings. She's getting too big for her cage. Don't film me, Kai. You're fine, Cookie. Okay, let's show them how beautiful you are. Let me see your wings. Okay, so I gently grab her wings. You leave these two feathers right here, and you cut just right here. And I just take a gentle pair of scissors and try just even them out as I cut them. This saves you a lot of money from the veterinarian. Okay, Cookie. Good girl. Okay, don't bite me. So I'm just trying to even them out. If she'll hold still. Good girl. Good girl. That's how it's done with that. I get to do the other side. Okay. Let's flip you around, little girl. You're okay. We're just turning you. Good girl. Looks like you're making a heck of a mess. Good girl. Now when I clip her claws, I gently pick up her feet. They're nice and soft. And I just clip them like this. You don't want to get too deep because they'll bleed. Good girl. Oh, sorry. Okay, good girl. I think I got all of them, except your back one. Good girl. And folks, that's how it's done. If your parrot is really good. And And this is Cookie. And if you have any questions, feel free to say hello and ask. Anyways, thanks for your time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.